wanted to get to Aaron's question because, you know, seatbelt use, of course, is the law, but not everyone wears a seatbelt. And Aaron wanted to know if the insurance company can refuse to pay the ER bill, the emergency room bill, if you were not wearing a seatbelt at the time of the accident. And maybe, Kip, if you could look at this from the South Carolina perspective.
Sure. Thanks, Neil. Aaron, good question. And you know, part of that determines, or it's determined by who's at fault. And if the other party who's involved in the accident is at fault and you're injured as a result, the insurance company may try to use the lack or the failure of you to wear your safety belt as a way to reduce the amount of their exposure. But in South Carolina, that's not allowed. The law in South Carolina provides that failure to use a safety belt cannot be used as contributory negligence in a civil action. So whether you're wearing a safety belt or not is not admissible in a civil suit or in a civil lawsuit with respect to your claims. So it can't be used against you. Certainly they may try to use it against you in negotiations, but it should be used against you at the end of the day.
And
that's with regard to Georgia, the insurance companies try to introduce that legislation every year. And luckily that we have a very strong trial lawyers bar with the Georgia Trial Lawyers Association that's defeated every single year. So just like Kip said, it's not admissible.
Okay.